Hey guys, it's me, Luke. I'm gonna pull a Resident Evil prank with my mom. I hope you guys enjoy this. Hey, Mom! Hey, Mom? Mom, my stomach is so good. Put it back in there. Oh my